Hello student, today we are going to learn about multiplication. The children made a bunch of flowers to give to Tai on Teacher's Day. Tony, Sonu, Salma, John and Nandu each brought 2 flowers and Sonu tied them together. How many flowers are there in it altogether? Look, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10 flowers. Here, how many times 2 is added? 5 times. So, we can also written as 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So, 10 is called as a product. Look, here are some pictures. 4 lemons in each row and 2 such rows. How many rows here? 1 and 2. Each row having 4 lemon. Therefore, total lemon is equal to 4 into 2. That is equal to 8. There are 8 lemon. Next, 4 cucumbers in a row and 4 such a row. That means 4 times 4 is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16. There are 16 cucumbers. 4 guavas in a row and 3 such a row. That means 3 times 4. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 4 mangoes in a row and 10 such a rows. Therefore, total mango is equal to 10 into 4. There are 40 mangoes. Tony has 3 ball, Sonu has 3 ball, Nandu has 3 ball and Salma has 3 ball. If each of them has 3 balls, how many balls altogether? Look, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. An addition of 3 taken 4 times is 4 times 3. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So, total ball is equal to 12. Children are standing in 7 group of 3 children each. How many children are altogether? That means 7 times 3. 3 7 is equal to 21 or 3 into 7 is equal to 21. So, there are 21 children altogether. Look, there are some pair of flower. How many pair? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 pair of flower. As an addition, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times 2 is there? That is 5 times. So, as multiplication, we can written as 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Look next. There are 2 boxes. Each box contain 5 cap. So, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. How many times 5 is there? That is 2. So, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Same way, complete the table. 6 time table. Here 6 dot is given. 6 is ones. So, 6 1. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 dot 2 times. So, 6 twice. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6 twos are 12. 6 thrice. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 6 threes are 18. 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. So 6 4 are 24. 6 into 5 30. 6 5 are 30. 6 into 6 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 into 7 42. 6 7 are 42. 6 into 8 48. 6 8 are 48. 6 into 9 54. 6 9 are 54. And 6 into 10 is equal to 60. 6 tens are 60. Now look, multiplication table of 7, 8 and 9 given here. Read this table. Carry out the following multiplication. These are the example of multiplication. Let's see. 3 into 6, 18. 5 into 3, 15, 7 into 5, 35, 8 into 3, 24, 6 into 4, 24, 7 into 8, 63. It becomes very easy if you know the table. Now see the next picture. There are 6 flowers in each rows. How many flowers in 4 such rows? How many rows given here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows, and each row having 6 flowers. So 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Total number of flowers is equal to 24. Some boxes is given here. One box contain 3 balls. How many boxes here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 balls in one box, then 7 boxes. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. 21 balls in all. Now look, there are keychain of doll. Each doll as rupees 8. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 40. That means 8 into 5 is equal to 40. Let's see the properties of multiplication. Look, 3 into 5 is equal to 15 and 5 into 3 is equal to 15. That means the product of two numbers remains the same even if their order is changed. Look, another example. 6 into 5, 30, and 5 into 6, 30. Now see the next property, the multiplicative property of 0. When we multiply 0 by any number, or when we multiply any number by 0, the product is always 0. For example, 0 into 4 is equal to 0 and 4 into 0 is equal to 0. Look here, 7 into 0, 0, and 0 into 7 is also 0. Now multiplicand, multiplier and product. Here 6 into 5. 6 is a multiplicand, 5 is a multiplier, and 6 into 5 is equal to 30. 30 is a product. So student, here we completed our 5th chapter. Solve the example given in your textbook. Thank you.